So this is what he would normally do. He'd just kind of stay out there like that.
Yeah.
And kind of go, you come in. You come in. So obviously now it's like, well, okay, what's in it for me to come in? You come in, Nico. Now, if he was to come in, then I might throw him the toy. Yes, good boy. Good boy. Well done. Good boy. Good boy. But then immediately, because he's come in, okay, play with him, engage, because the fun's happening inside the house. Yeah. So then, kill it off again, hold it dead, out. And then what I'm going to do is go back out again, but this time slow him down. Come back. Thank you. So if he moves towards the door, just gently move him away and say, where do I want you? And I'm just going to wait him out. Back. Come on then. Good boy. But this time I've come straight back in with a toy. And I'm going to see again whether or not... Yes, good boy. And this time I'm going to let him go outside with it if he wants. Go on then. Okay? Because I don't want to have the predictability of him going...
Every time I do that bit closer.
Yes.
Yeah.
So I'm going to mix it up so that he knows what we've got. And then I can go out with the second toy. Yes, what a good boy. You ready? Good boy. Pick this one up. Good boy. What you got? Good boy. And then because I'm not trying to take it off him, so he's not running away from me now. Good boy. You can play tug. Good boy. Then I can hold it dead again. Get that? Just hold it dead. Out. And then we can go back to the door. And then again, just wait. Yes! Good boy. Then we can close it. Good boy. Good boy.